Take 3. Hello everybody, Troman 5000 here. Got a little video for you. I got a couple of Balisongs from you from Russia. AtroposKnife. Alright. AtroposKnife in Russia. This is the first one that I ordered. It's called Kali's Mercy. Kali's Mercy. I believe the Kali is the Eastern deity that deals with death and destruction. And what we have here is a latchless balisong with Zen pins and a kukri style blade channel construction. Alright, let me get her out of the thing here. Alright, there she is. There she is. Alright. Channel construction. Alright. Zen pins. Alright. And kukri style blade. Kali's Mercy. Kali's Mercy. Alright. There she is. Yeah. Now his main ballys are a little bit longer than what we're used to. I'd also probably say a little bit heavier too. I didn't bother to put these on the scales. But if you want to know how they flip, you know you're at the wrong place. There are plenty of videos out there on YouTube and on Instagram, and the main thing I get is they're a little bit different. They're a little bit heavier, but they flip just the same. All right, guys. All right, something a little bit different. And for all you guys wondering why everything has to cost $400 and $500, well, not everything has to. All right, I ordered this by handle style, by handle finish, by blade finish, and if I wanted tang pins or Zen pins, you know, just about a custom knife. Cost me $267. $267, fellas, gals, $267. All right, $267. So, yeah. Come on, baby, zoom in. Ah, cracker. Fuck it. But anyway, yeah. All right. $267 for this one. Blasted handles, got your holes in it. Super clean. It came tight, it's still tight. I have not tightened up anything on this thing. And of course there's none of that bull crap. Alright? Yeah. Beautiful knives, man. Dude wants your money, and he ain't gonna rob you either. Alright? It's really fucking nice. This one I saw on Instagram. He had 4 of them, and I asked him if he'd take well, let's see, he was asking $235 for each knife. By the time I got around to ordering one from him, this was the only one on the page left. I asked him if he'd take $200 for it. He said yeah. So, gold anno, well yellow, that's what he calls it. Yellow anno, channel construction, alright? channel construction, tank pins, alright, demon blade, so I got a yellow demon here, okay, demon blade, bushings, the other one has bushings also, tight as hell, nice and free, 200 bucks, 200 bucks. Now that was my deal, alright, that was my deal on an Instagram sale, 200 bucks. No way on the planet can I beat that anywhere. You know it, I know it. If you want to know how it flips, check out other people's videos. You shouldn't have a problem with this thing, guys. I'm telling you. This thing is, whoo, cool guy to work with, cool guy to deal with. This one here took about 2 weeks to get to the great Midwest of the U.S. from Russia. Alright? This one has N690 steel. The other one has K100, whatever that is. I'm sure it's appropriate for the price point. So, there you go, guys. Atropos knives, a little bit different. I'd even say a little bit cooler. And you don't have to wait to get exactly what you want. You know, you don't have to wait to get exactly what you want. Got it? You don't have to wait to get exactly what you want. All right. I dig the hell out of it, guys. These two will not be my last knives from Atropos. All right. No way on this planet of ours. These are cool, man. These are too cool. Yep, a little bit different. Ooh, a little bit longer. I know a lot of you guys cry about handle length. You won't have any problem here. I will give all dimensions in the description, okay? His knives average overall length about a ½ inch longer. Alright, ½ inch in blade, ½ inch in handle. I'll put these dimensions in the description. Oh man, I like that. He makes all types of ballies. He even makes dedicated EDC ballies, fellas. Even dedicated EDC ballies. So, man. If you want a semi-custom bally for less than what you have to pay for them, check this dude out. Atropos knife. Yeah. Google it. Boom. It'll pop right up. Check it out. And for you guys who aren't on Instagram yet, man, remember I got this one on Instagram for 200. Just remember that. Alright guys, we coming up on a little over 9 minutes. Yep, I think I'm out of here. I think I'm gonna go buy me another knife. Not one of these right yet, but I saw something at Blade HQ I might pick up. Alright guys, I'm gonna let y'all go. I really appreciate y'all hanging in there with me. See ya.